Welcome to Ebas Gallery. Hyundai Motor celebrated the world premiere of the fourth-generation Hyundai Santa Fe at its Motor Studio Goyang. As the best-selling SUV in the brand's 32-year history in America with sales of more than 1.5 million units, the Santa Fe represents Hyundai's strong SUV heritage and continues its success story. Going on sale in the US in the summer of 2018, the fourth-generation 2019 model builds on this success using its family-oriented interior, loaded with practical cutting-edge technologies and bold exterior looks. The third and fourth of 8 new or re-engineered crossover utility vehicles, CUVs, Hyundai is debuting by 2020. The 2019 Santa Fe and Santa Fe Diesel are bold SUVs that build on previous generations with outstanding driving dynamics, and features aimed at technology and comfort. The 5-passenger Santa Fe Sport will now be called Hyundai Santa Fe. The current long-wheelbase 3-row, 7-passenger model called Santa Fe will be renamed Santa Fe XL for the 2019 model year. An all-new 3-row, 8-passenger SUV is currently under development with an all-new name. The diesel version of the 2019 Santa Fe will also get an occasional use third-row seat, with one-touch folding second-row seats for easy entry into the third row by children. The third-row seat will only be available on the Santa Fe Diesel. The face of the new Hyundai Santa Fe is highlighted by Hyundai's signature cascading grille and a composite light design comprising LED daytime running lights positioned on top of the LED headlights. The exterior design is characterized by a powerful wide stance and an athletic, bold look that makes a statement from 100 feet away, featuring refined lines that reinforce the car's status in Hyundai's SUV lineup. In profile, the Santa Fe's dynamic character line goes all the way from the headlights to the tail lights, while a larger daylight opening, DLO, with a satin surround provides better visibility and a sleek impression. Featured diamond-cut 19-inch wheels illustrate strength, as does the car's rear appearance, now featuring a muscular high and taut shape. The Hyundai Santa Fe interior design combines premium quality with a horizontal and roomy layout and enhanced visibility. The instrument panel has a three-dimensional appearance, providing a feeling of openness and enhances the natural light created by the larger DLO. Stitching around the IP and color-contrasted seat piping ensures a high level of luxury within the cabin. The driver will also see several improvements, including the audio/visual/navigation system screen has been tilted and positioned to reduce glare, the window switches and grab handles have been moved forward for more elbow room, the door map pockets have been reduced in size for more legroom, cup holders in the center console have been repositioned for ease of use, and the height and length of the center armrest has also been increased.